This XT33A circuit breaker finder with transmitter and receiver works pretty well. It just takes a little bit of practice with it. So this obviously is what you plug in. You can use it to test, and then if you've got like a GFCI breaker, you can see if it resets the breaker. But it's pretty easy to find, pretty easy to use. It comes with the battery, so you just flip this open, put in the 9-volt battery, which they provide. You take the outlet, and you plug it in. You should see 2 green lights if it's successful. And at that point, you just go to your breaker and you turn it on. And you're supposed to start off with as high a sensitivity as possible. So it's going to typically do the whole thing. So then you just gradually bring it back. See, now as I'm adjusting this lower, it's less often. So it's telling me it's that breaker. But, so we know it's within those 3 or these 6. And you just desensitize it a little bit more. And you just keep going until eventually it will only beep on 1. Alright, so we know it's one of these 2 breakers. A little bit less. Oh, it's turned all the way down now. Alright, so it should be that breaker. Alright, let's see. Yep. And you can see there that it's off. Turn it back on. And the circuit's back on. And of course our little robot's like, hey, what just happened? What just happened, huh? So, anyway, that's how you use the product. It works quite well. And you just gotta have a little bit of patience with the sensitivity adjustment. That's it.